In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Dropbox storage details. This walkthrough is perfect if you want a quick, clear picture of what's using space in your Dropbox and how much room you have left. Start by opening your web browser and going to dropbox.com. When the page loads, sign into your account as you normally do. Once you're in, you'll be on the Dropbox web interface where you can see your files and folders. Now look to the upper right corner of the page. You should see your profile avatar. That's either your photo or a circle with your initials. Click that avatar to open a small menu. From this menu, select Manage Account. This takes you to your account settings area where Dropbox gathers important details about your plan and usage in one place. On the account page, find the storage bar. It's a colored bar that gives you a visual breakdown of how your space is being used. The goal here is to help you understand at a glance what's taking up space, what's shared, and how much room you still have available. First, you'll see regular files. This is the space used by your personal files, the documents, photos, videos, and folders you've saved to your Dropbox. Whether these files are available offline or set to online only doesn't change how they count toward your quota. They all contribute to this portion. Next is shared files. This represents space used by folders and files you share with others or that others have shared with you. It's important to know these do count toward your limit, even if someone else originally added the content. If this slice is large, it usually means you're part of hefty shared folders. You may also see backup or replay. Backup reflects space used by automatic computer backups created with Dropbox Backup, while replay represents media stored in Dropbox Replay for reviewing and collaborating on video or audio. If you back up a lot of device data or manage media projects, this section can grow quickly. Finally, unused space shows how much room you have left before hitting your limit. Think of it as your safety margin for new projects, uploads, and collaborations. If you recently removed files or left shared folders, give the numbers a little time to refresh. And if you're on a team or business plan, the labels may look slightly different, but the same idea applies. That's all you need to view your Dropbox storage details. Simple, visual, and informative. Thanks for watching.